So I'm at the liquor store. I'm sitting in the car. My mom and my brother are in the liquor store getting booze for Christmas. Yay! Charming family time together always requires liquor so you can stand each other. So, I thought what I would do, I wanted to, excuse me, I wanted to share the classy window treatment that is on the liquor store. I don't know if we can see it, but I'm gonna try and zoom in on it. It's actually a Coors Light girl in a bikini. We can't see it. So, you know what? I think, yeah, we're gonna get out. Shit.